Hello everybody, I'm making this video to show you what you are going to be asked to do for week 11 of this upcoming week. So I am going to share the screen. On the home page, just in case you access this video through your notifications bar, so you're going to go to weekly assignments, and this is what I already showed you in the welcome video. But for week 11, we can see here that this is what's going to be due. So we have an individual conference. You need to meet with me digitally before Sunday, March 29th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and a draft of the film analysis paper is due. So I'm going to click on week 11. And as you can see, it has again what's happening this week just so that you guys can keep up with it. So I want to go over the individual conferences sign up. So you're going to click this link to sign up for an individual conference time. They will last no longer than 30 minutes. Very likely they probably won't even last that long, but I just want to reserve that time for anybody who maybe has explicit questions, or maybe I have to give some instructions for something, or maybe you're struggling with the course and I need to go over something. So I have put the times in 30-minute segments, but it very likely won't last that long for most of you. These conferences will be about your current grade status, ensuring your understanding of the course changes, and for any questions or concerns that you might have. Sections in black are times I am unavailable. Blank sections are times that I am available. Please write your name and preferred conference method in the time block you prefer, and please sign up for at least a day in advance for conference times. You will have until Sunday, March 29th at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time to meet with me. So that means that the last day that you can schedule a time is going to be Saturday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, because I want you to sign up a day in advance. Conference methods include Zoom, Google Hangouts, phone call, Skype, FaceTime, and any other method you prefer. I will accommodate as necessary. Remember, this is worth 20 points of your grade. That is 2 reading responses, and it could highly affect your grade in more ways than one. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and please also notify me as soon as possible if you have issues with editing this document. So I'm going to click it. It'll bring it up in another tab, and it is a Google Sheets document. I did test this, and it says that you should be able to edit it. Anybody should be able to edit it. So it looks like this. These are times that I'm unavailable because I'm going to be working these times, and any time that's blank is available. So this one right here would be Monday, March 23rd at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. If you're in another state now, you might want to make sure that you look at that. This one here would be Tuesday, March 24th at 12:30 p.m. This one would be Wednesday, March 25th at 1 p.m., so on and so forth. And I'm available all the way through Sunday. So what you're going to do is you're just going to type your name, like this example here. You see I have my name, Alex Krausen, and then I put Zoom because that is the preferred method that I would like to do for the conference. Those methods I read off earlier, those are any that you can use, or if you have a different one you want to use, you can type it in there too. So let's say, for example, that I want to do Wednesday at 12:30. I'm going to say Alex dash, and I'm going to say Skype. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to email you, and we'll set that up, but I just want to have the times reserved for anybody in case there's like only a specific time that you can meet. So I will email you, and then we will exchange like usernames or something, or I'll exchange a link for you, all that good stuff. But this is just all you need to do to sign up, and then you need to meet with me by Sunday, March 29th at 5 p.m. That is the last time that we can have the meeting. So I hope that makes sense. So we will go ahead and move over here. And then the other thing that's due is your rough draft submission. So these are just instructions for paper number 2 in case you need a refresher, and this is just a grading rubric just for your use. But let's go ahead and click on rough draft submission. So you're just going to do the same thing that you've done for every other course or every other paper that we've done. You're going to create a thread and put the subject. I don't care if you put anything here, but browse your computer, attach the document, It's better to do it this way just because I can leave comments on the document. For people who are only accessing through mobile, I might have to find another way to provide comments because sometimes you can't see them. But that is all that you really have to do for this week, for week 11. So starting on Monday, you should be setting up a individual conference time and day for me. And then what you should be working on is getting 3 pages for your film analysis paper done. And remember, it doesn't need to be super fancy. It doesn't need to have certain grammar or anything like that. I just want to see that you're thinking and that you're coming up with ideas. Most of you already almost had 3 pages just from the reading responses that we did the week that I was gone during the filming, the showing of the episode. So that's basically all that you have to do for this week. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please email me at alexandria.krausen@enmu.edu, or you can stop by during my office hours Wednesday from 10 to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and you will do that by clicking the Zoom link, and I will be in the room, or I can set up another day or time for conference method as well. So make sure you do that, guys. Thank you, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.